Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we will build a quick CRUD but for files, not for database records. So we will upload and list files and also delete file using storage facade. The first thing, if we want to upload a file, we can make it directly by using the request class, and we can say file and specify the key. For example, in my case here, I will use it key as image. Key will be image, and we can say directly store, and we can specify the path, so it will be stored inside storage app, and because the default disk is local, it will be directly uploaded inside the app folder. So I will store it directly without specifying anything. But if you want to change the disk, we can say here options, and as an array disk, maybe bubble like this. But for now, I will keep it inside local disk. So if I back and select an image here and send, it's uploaded. If I back and check, and here is our image. Now, if you want to list the uploaded files, list here, we can use storage facade and using files here or all files method. So we can specify the directory. I will not specify it because by default it will fetch it here. And if I disable this, and I will say here die and dump, send the request, and as we can see, get store and this file, and we can see here our uploaded image from the local disk. The other method is all files, and here is the difference. If we run it, you can see it also displays the nested files inside other folder. Now let's check if a file exists or not. Exists. We can use storage exists here, or even file exists. Let's see the difference. I will pass the file name here .webp and return directly, send the request, and as you can see, true, file exists. If I change the name, it returns null or false. Even if I die and dump here, dd, it's false. If I take the name again, it returns true. Also, there is another method called exists. If I send the request, it's true, same again. The opposite of them is file missing, which means doesn't exist, must return false because file exists. If I change the name here, it will return true. Now let's execute delete, and we can say here storage delete, specify the file name or the file name with the path if it's inside a folder. I will say any name here, webp, and it returns boolean. It doesn't throw any errors, dd. But as we can see here, it always returns true even if the file doesn't exist. But if I provide the right file name here, let's check it, and the file is delete. So here's quickly a quick CRUD for files to upload, delete, and list file. If you want this useful, support me by clicking on like and subscribe. See you next videos.